How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best Bambu and Orca support and bridge setting. So basically the process is going to be same for both softwares. They have similar properties right here, so you could just apply this video to both software. First things first, let's navigate through our support, and from here just make sure that the support is enabled. Now you could use something like the normal automatic or the tree automatic, but if you want to use the full potential of the support option, I suggest using something like tree manual. From there, we can then apply our support paintings by navigating through our controls. And from here, we have the support painting option. You can edit out your brush the way you want to, but generally we have two functions, which is to block supports and to simply apply them. If you want to use the support blockers, right click on your model. It will then apply this red paint right here, indicating that this area has been blocked. And if you want to manually apply your support, just left click on the model itself. And if we click on the slice plate option, it will simply apply those that we have brushed. Now, moving forward, let's navigate to the Z distance. So you can experiment with the top distance and same thing with the bottom Z distance. You want to use 0.2 between 0.4. So maybe let's try 0.3 in between. And also on the filament options itself, you can then try lowering down your print temperatures by 5 degrees Celsius. Do the same thing for the bed temperature and see if that works. So navigating through the best support and bridge setting has to be or could be a lot of trouble in shooting, but generally after modifying these options right here, you will be able to find the best settings for your Orca or Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.